Hi and welcome to a demo of Rumble. Rumble is our sample library of techno subtools. It features 107 process loops, all keyed and ready to drag into a project. So Rumble covers a wide variety of grooves, from reverb techno rumbles and rolling saturated toms to melodic analogue sequences. I've got the pack already downloaded and open here and ready to drop into Ableton. What you can hear in the background is a kick from our Fluid kick series and some hi-hats here from our Fluid hat series, also available to download from the Audiotent store. So having a look in the folder here, you can see the 107 loops offers a wide variety of sounds to choose from. As they're all keyed, they're really easy to fit into a project that you've been working on already. Let's have a listen to a few of the loops and hear how they sound. This one's got good energy, nice and driving. As you can hear, there are lots of different styles to choose from, and all of them sound great. With such a wide variety of grooves, these loops could really take your project in lots of different directions and inspire you to create some really awesome pieces. You can see there's quite a few different styles of sub loops here available, and they'll really change the groove of your track up. Some are more melodic like this one, and others are more groove based like some of the other ones you've heard. This one's more of a low end driving rumble. Like with a lot of sounds, you're not just restricted to keeping the loop as it is. If you like the tone of the bass, you can always cut the loop up, rearrange it and do whatever you want with it. This one's got a nice kind of acid sort of feel to it. Some good melodic content in this one. So now it's over to you guys. Download Rumble from the Audiotent store, fire up your DAW, load some sounds in and get creative. Share your work with us at the Audiotent Facebook group. Thanks for watching.